Okay, so today we are going to prepare the balance sheet. Okay, so for balance sheet also, first of all, we will take all those items related to these adjustment entries to avoid any mess. Okay, balance sheet, interest and drawings and interest and capital. First of all, closing stock. Closing stock I am putting here as this is the part of adjustment entries. It has two-sided effect. One is trading and one is in P and this balance sheet. Interest in drawings and interest on capital. So capital minus drawings. So same as interest also, we will add interest in the capital and then we will add interest in the drawings also, and then we will deduct it with the same application. Okay, so let's do the calculation of capital plus net profit plus that interest on capital and minus drawings. Capital portion is 40,000, I guess. 40,000 multiplied by 5%, that will be the interest. So 2,000 rupees I am adding here. Now the capital portion is 42,000. Now in this I am just adding this net profit 25,185. 25,185 I am adding here. So then the total comes up, this plus this is equal to this. Out of this I'll have to deduct the drawings. Okay, so drawings also, in drawings also 7% interest I will add, then I will deduct drawings. So drawings amount is 2,000, 7% means 140. So 2140 I'll have to deduct 2140. This is the drawing plus interest on drawing. Now I am deducting from this minus this. Now this portion is coming here 65045. All the calculations have been done now. Okay. Now look at the next adjustment. This is land and machinery is depreciated at 5%. So that's an asset. Land and building, land and machinery. The cost minus 5% depreciation. 43,000. 5% of this would be multiply by 5%. 2150. Here is some formula mistake. So is equal to 43,000 minus 2150. This will be the cost of land and machinery after deducting the depreciation. Next one is interest on investment. So interest on investment, that's an asset investment. In investment I will have to add interest. Investment plus interest on investment. So let me see how much is the investment. Investment is 6,000 plus 6% means 360, right? 6,000 equal to 6,000 multiplied by 6%. Now the total amount of investment will be 6,360. Third adjustment is also done. Next one is unexpired rent. This one I have added in the profit and loss account. Now that will be my asset. That's an income. Unexpired rent, 100 rupees. Charge 5% depreciation on furniture. Simple. Furniture minus depreciation. 5% depreciation I will have to deduct. Furniture is 11300 and 5% depreciation is equal to this multiplied by 5%. So this will be this minus this depreciation. So total amount of furniture, net furniture is this. All the adjustment entries are done now. Net profit and everything we have done. Now remaining item, sale tax collected. If sale tax paid would be there, any income tax paid, then we deducted from the capital plus net profit minus drawings. In this case, this is collected, so we will have to add it back. Add it back means simply we can write down here sale tax collected. Of course, that's written in the credit side, so this is my liability. Right. Next one is donation and charity, already done this turn. Patent 4,000 rupees, that's an asset. Investment we have covered. Cash is 3,000. Debtors and creditors. So here debtor will be the debit part, that is 6,000 rupees, and the creditors will be 7,000 rupees here. Credit one portion will be my liability. Drawings done, capital done, rent done, miscellaneous income done. So everything is done now. Now I am just balancing my balance sheet. So both are matching, my balance sheet is also done. Okay guys, that's it for today. Very quickly I will upload one more numerical unsolved if I would feel that that's important. Otherwise we will have to start another chapter. Is final account with adjustment is also completed. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel with the name of Accountancy Step by Step, and follow my Facebook page with the name of Accountancy Step by Step. Also share the link with the accountancy student. I will see you in the next video. Till then, just take good care of yourself. Stay safe at home and study with me. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Accountancy Step by Step and click on the bell icon to get the notification once I will upload the next video. Also follow my Facebook page Accountancy Step by Step. All the videos are uploaded there also. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.